talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong.
Sorry.
They have standard color, and then so huge.
How much million for them?
Huh? Oh, what's going on? Yep, what's going on?
Price on the pound though.
Just go out, look. Let me go find out how much that is.
Same thing? Gary, you can't go like you know no more tea. Tell the woman say you want things. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the Blackwood family. Say hi, Nan. Hi. Yeah. Thank you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing. Guys, so I realize you're watching the videos, but you're not liking, you're not commenting. Please like the videos and leave a comment. And leave your suggestions also. We love you guys so much.
Guys, also thanks for 10 subscribers on my channel, even though I'm not posting. I'm gonna post more.
Yes. Right, so
And
today, huh? Full. Huh? Oh, it seems it's broken or that side is not working. Come. So I'm back home. You guys saw when I was in the store. I tried to get Jamaica t-shirts for the kids for Jamaica Day coming up, but it was options were limited as well as sizes, so we weren't so lucky, but we're definitely gonna try somewhere else. And I went and picked up the kids from school, and my nephew also, he had a little accident at school, so I went and picked him up earlier than the others. And then I'm home now. I'm making some dinner, quick meal, just making some rice because we had leftover chicken in the fridge from yesterday, so making that. I'm also reheating the chicken. We're gonna have that for dinner today, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna get up to for today. Help T with her homework, and then probably just watch a movie, relax something. Good morning, guys. I'm heading to the supermarket to pick up 2 little things, and also I'm getting some gas. So I'm currently at the gas station getting some petrol and then I'm going to head to the supermarket. I didn't get what I came for tea. It's not here, no cheese. So I'm gonna have to check somewhere else. She really wants her cheese for her grilled cheese sandwich that she's currently obsessed with.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore.
Quick grocery haul. So we have eggs, sugar, hash browns, tin mackerel, bologna. We have some powdered seasoning, 2 chubby for the kids, mayonnaise. We also have a snack for tea to try, lettuce, saltfish, butter, Oreos, cornmeal, Lasco, tang, black pepper season up, crackers, coconut milk, ketchup. We also have peas and milk for porridge.
Hi guys.
Good morning, y'all. So it's been a little bit chaotic this morning. First we woke up, there is no water. I don't know what's up with water commission. The water has been in and out since yesterday evening.
Guys.
And the lights, I gotta close the door. I had few little stuff, you know, careful man. I had few little stuff left to wash, you know, the stuff that they wore to school yesterday and stuff like that. I did get to wash them because the water came back, and then by the time I was done washing, it went again.
You guys can.
So I managed to wash that. I managed to tidy up, wipe and stuff like that. And tell me why the line broke.
Because of our brother. My brother.
The
He
line
pulled down the
broke
line.
with the clothes on it, and they weren't dry. One of the lines. So I'll be quickly rectify that. And we're just here sitting, waiting. I'm waiting for the water to come back because I still have so much stuff to do.
Remember, if you want to friend me on Roblox.
She has a Roblox account. So I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day to see what we get up to. Dinner, I don't know what's gonna be for dinner.
We had sandwiches for breakfast.
Yes, I made some bomb.
We had bologna, egg, and lettuce with mayo.
Ooh.
And ketchup mixed up together with the bread.
Yeah, so we had that for breakfast. No tea because there's no water.
I thought, not me wondering why I didn't get tea.
Yeah, there's no water, baby. Yes, so
We need water for everything.
yes, we can't do without water. Water is life.
We have water right there.
No, that's water to drink. That's drinking water.
If you guys wondering what I'm eating, it's this snack. You should try it.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall out. Yeah. Oh, I told you it was gonna fall. Blow it 3 seconds. 2 seconds or 5 seconds? Yeah.
5 rule.
5 seconds?
I said the 5 rule.
Oh, okay. So yeah, continue.
Back to subscribe.
Yeah.
Is this the end of
It's
the
free,
video?
y'all. It's free. It don't cost you nothing.
Is it the end of video?
No, not yet. Good morning, guys. Yes, good morning. How are y'all doing? Remember to leave a comment. Like up the video them. Like the video them. We look rough. Just wake up and I'm about to make some porridge. Yeah. So that's what I'll be doing for breakfast this morning. That wasn't the plan, but that's what we're gonna work with. So I'm gonna get started on that. So I'm going to mix the porridge now. You see this? The magic. This and vanilla. I don't have any vanilla, so hence why I'm using this milk. This is very good for porridge. I think it was made specifically for like porridge and like when you're baking and stuff like that. Yeah. So vanilla, milk. I already added cinnamon powder. I just put a little salt.
ABC.
Finish up your homework for ABCD. You don't want my help for this part?
Huh?
You don't want my help for this part?
Neither think so.
I'm not needed, so I'm making dinner. I'm making dinner while she's doing her homework. I'm just overseeing just to ensure that she got it, but she don't need me because she knows what she's doing. Oh, y'all, I'm just here and remembering, wipe off your mouth. when I was growing up, there's still some on the cheap. When I was growing up, the ice cream truck used to pass by like every Sunday. Yes, an ice cream truck. You know, it's not really a truck, a little bus, and then there was
It has flavors.
ice cream van as well with the ice cream logos and stuff on them. Yeah, and you can choose whichever one you want. Once you hear that sound, you know that it was the ice cream truck coming out, and you just run to your mommy or your daddy and get your money, and you run to your gate and wait for the ice cream man to come. Apart from that, you had persons riding bicycles or bike to sell ice cream with the box on the back with the ice cream, and you buy your ice cream as normal. That was something else. You don't see persons now riding bicycles or bike and selling ice cream, because so many persons are
So
doing
many
that.
workers have changed.
Yeah, then so many persons are doing that, because some people sell ice cream at their house. It's more ice
And at
cream.
shops.
Yeah, and ice cream has gotten more affordable now, where persons, you know, you just buy a little tub of ice cream and put it in your, keep it at home in your refrigerator. And some people make it like a date or a outing to go to Devon House and stuff. To get their ice
This
cream.
cookie and cream is making my
Yeah.
eyes.
So guys, that's it for this week's vlog. This is where we're going to close the vlog out. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, we love you guys so much.
My favorite is cookie and cream.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye y'all.